Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to apply your Katori Beauty press-on nails. These nails are in the style of milk and in the length of long coffin. First thing I'm showing is a nail application kit. Comes with nail tabs, a cuticle pusher, KDS nail glue, an alcohol wipe, and a mini filer. First step in the application is to use your mini filer to buffer the surface of your nails. And I swear I'm not going that fast. This clip is sped up. Please take your time and be careful because your nail beds are very sensitive. Alright, the second step is to use the cuticle pusher to push back your cuticles. Again, with this step, please be careful because this clip is sped up. I am not going that fast, but for the time, I sped this clip up. And the third step is to thoroughly wipe your fingernail with an alcohol swab. This is to remove any dirt, debris, and any oils left behind on your fingernail. The fourth and fifth step is to apply glue to the surface of your natural nail and your press-on nail. For me personally, on this step, I start from my pinkies and I work my way around to my thumbs, and I usually save both of my thumbs for last because if you notice when you're putting on your press-on nails, you're using your thumbs to press everything down and like hold it, make sure everything is held into place, and if you do them too early, it might prevent you from doing that properly. This very last step is actually completely optional, but for me, I like to add a little bit more protection to my nails, so I add glue in between my press-on and my natural nail just to like keep everything together. Alright, and now both my nails are done, as you can see. Again, these are Milk from katoribeautycontact in the length of long coffin. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And share the video, please. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.